The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a ton of AI features including Circle to Search, Live Translate, Chat Assist and lots of generative AI photo editing tools. You also get a stronger titanium design, a flat and a brighter display and the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, but at $1,300 US, the S24 Ultra is $100 more than the Galaxy S23 Ultra and you get a less powerful telephoto zoom. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a release date of January 31 and it's available for pre-order now. The S24 Ultra pricing starts at a steep $1,299 US for 256 GB of storage. Other options include 512 GB and 1 TB. If you take advantage of Galaxy S24 Ultra pre-orders, you can get the 512 GB model for the price of the 256 GB option and the 1 TB model for the 512 GB price. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a few important design upgrades you need to know about. First, it uses a titanium frame instead of aluminum, so you get more protection from drops and scratches. Second, the display has 42% slimmer bezels and an 11% slimmer camera. The result is a design that should be more durable, even if it's about the same weight as the S23 Ultra. The narrower bezels also make the handset narrower and therefore slightly easier to use with one hand than the S23 Ultra, and it's slightly slimmer too, at 6.40 by 3.11 by 0.34 inches versus 6.4 by 3.0 by 0.35 inches. The Galaxy S24 Ultra colors are more fun this time around. You can choose from the more tame titanium black and titanium grey or go for the bolder titanium violet and titanium yellow. My favorite is the violet option, but yellow is vibrant without being too in your face. Yes, the curve is gone. Samsung made the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display flat, which many users have been asking for. This makes the S24 Ultra less slippery in the hand and also a better canvas for the S Pen. Just keep in mind that there's no major S Pen upgrades this time around, with the exception of being a useful tool for the new Circle to Search feature. The bigger Galaxy S24 Ultra display upgrade for me is that the 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED panel is searingly bright. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a rated brightness of 2600 nits, which is a huge jump from the 1750 nits on the S23 Ultra. By comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a rated peak brightness of 2000 nits when displaying HDR content. I took the Galaxy S24 Ultra in a direct sunlight and I had no problem making out the action when watching the Mean Girls trailer on YouTube. Samsung also set up a comparison video in the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra under harsh lighting, and the newer flagship was noticeably brighter. The S24 Ultra's panel continues to have a refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, which is good, but it would have been nice to see a jump to 144 Hz for even smoother gameplay. The Galaxy S24 Ultra represents a huge bet on AI as a selling point for getting people to upgrade their phones. Sure, there's other notable enhancements such as the brighter flat display, titanium frame, faster chip and 7 years of updates. But the real star of the show is AI. And based on my initial impressions, I do think several of the features are worthwhile and just as important, easy to use. I am particularly impressed by the auto summaries for notes and the quick fixes for images based on suggestions. However, I think users might be confused by some photo editing options being tucked under the info button and others under a generative AI button. Circle to Search in particular could be a game changer as it works in any app. Do all these upgrades add up to a $1,299 US phone? That's a lot of money to spend on even the most ultimate of flagships. So stay tuned to our full Galaxy S24 Ultra review to see if it's truly worth the splurge.